Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video I'm gonna show you how I created this bronzy summer makeup look. On my eyes I used the MORPHE 35F palette and I created this really nice and easy bronzy makeup look. So if you're excited to see the video, please give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my face, and I'm using the Flormar Illuminating primer base, and I apply this all over my face. Then after I apply foundation, and I'm using the Flormar Anti blemish foundation in the color Ivory, and I apply this with my beauty blender again all over my face. Then it's time for some concealer, and I'm using the Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage in the color 10 Porcelain. I apply this under my eyes but also a little bit more on my face to brighten up it a little bit more. Now it's time for some powder, and I'm using the Bourjois Healthy Balance powder in the color 52 Vanilla. Then after I apply some bronzer, and I'm using the Rimmel Bronzer in the color 26 Sunkissed. Then it's time for some blush, and I'm using the Chanel blush in the color Reflex. It's a really nice and peachy color, perfect for the summer. Then some highlighter, and I'm using my all-time favorite highlighter, Mary-Louminizer from the Balm. Then it's time for the eyebrows, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Blonde, and I'm filling in my brows, but I'm also making them a little bit more full. Then it's time for the eyeshadow, and I'm using the MORPHE 35F palette, and I'm going in with a really nice transition shade, and I apply this all over the crease. Then I'm going in with a little darker brown, and again I apply this in the outer corner of my eyes and a little bit in the crease. Then I'm going in with a white shimmery color, and I apply this underneath my eyebrow and in the inner corners of my eyes. And then a really nice bronzy shimmery shade, and I apply this all over my eyelids. Then it's time for some mascara, and I'm using the Essence I Heart X Cream Crazy Volume Mascara. Then I'm going in with a lip liner from Essence, and this is in the color Wish Me a Rose. And after I apply a lip gloss, this is from Golden Rose Shimmer Gloss Lip Gloss in the color 53. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye!